Got my IPSY Glam Bag and my IPSY Glam Bag Plus. So I'll do one video first. I'll do the IPSY Glam Bag. I think this is the first month that we're getting the IPSY Glam Bag. A higher price. I don't know how much it went up. Is it like $3? I'm not sure since it comes out like automatically. What is in the Glam Bag July 2022? And if you're new, welcome. My name is Jenzbeautystyle, and please don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy. First thing I'm always looking for is my little bag. That is why I love my IPSY Glam Bag. And look how cute it is. This is really cute. It really is. Look at this star, the starfish. How cute is that? I really like it. It's really cool. So this seems like empty. So there's like maybe like 2 products in here. And the rest I see there's a bunch of stuff just like in the bag. I guess it didn't fit. Confused. For a second I was like, is this my IPSY Glam Bag Plus? Or because they raised the prices, are we getting like bigger stuff? You know what I mean? And instead of just like travel size and samples. I'm looking for the little pamphlet to see. I have a little pamphlet where it just shows us the items we're getting, and I'll read that to you as we go on. Look at this. I have an empty box, and it's because this massive huge thing does not belong in this box because it's way too heavy for this. So here is the first item. I remember I picked this. This is Refreshments Brilliant Body Bar Citrus Spritz. Look at this. I don't know why. I don't know what was the other option, but I decided to get a soap. I am addicted to soap, addicted to everything. Like, I went crazy in Bath & Body Works. You know, the semi-annual just finished. Look in the suds. This nourishing body bar cleanses and purifies for all-over freshness. It's gentle enough to be used all over on all skin types. Lather up for hydrated baby soft skin and get lost in the refreshing citrus scent. I love citrus, so this retails for $9. Never heard of them. And look at this. Again, way too heavy. How cute is that? Let me see. I just got over my, V19. So I'm just like being able to breathe again here. Oh, look how cute. It has like a little dent. I don't know, whatever. I don't think it smells like, oh my god, I can't wait to lather this all over. But it's nice. The price here, like this is all like big stuff. Okay, now I'm just thinking like how much did they raise the price? This is, what is this? Head Candy Mini Hair Care Set. Quad Gold Shampoo, Conditioner, and Leave-In Treatment. How pretty is this? Room in your shower because this hair care trio is about to become your new go-to for wash days. My wash days are every day. I wash my hair every day. The shampoo and conditioner will help keep your hair smooth and soft for days, and leave-in treatment uses amino-keratins to strengthen your strands over time. This retails for $15. But like, if it's like minis like this, I like to leave it for like traveling. Ooh, this looks bad. Like maybe it was spilling or something. Or the glue, I don't know, but here you go. So this is our, what is this? Oh, our conditioner. It's really cute. I love minis. Oh, okay, this was definitely spilling. I can barely smell it. What is it that's spilling though? This is it's called Third Wheel All-in-One Miracle Spray Protectant. Okay. Cute. And this is 1.6 ounces. Also, okay, they're all 1.6, I guess. And then we have our shampoo. Have you guys ever tried this brand? I've never tried it. I'm just glad it didn't spill even more. Alright, so pretty cool. I'll definitely leave it for like in my traveling drawer. $15. Look in the bag too because I haven't looked in the bag. Look at this. The bag is like, is that yellow? So it's yellow inside, really nice. Prestige eyeliner, waterproof, automatic, smoky green. It's alright. I don't really use stuff like this a lot, so this retails for $8. With one swift flick of the wrist, you can line your eyes in this smudge-proof, ultra pigmented liner. It goes on smooth and stays on all day for a photo-worthy eyeliner look. I really love when they give me eyeliners, and I don't know why I have not received liquid liners in a long time. Usually I was getting them like in every bag, and I was so happy. I was like saving a lot from like purchasing liquid liners. See it well? Miss Flower and Mr. Honey. It's cute. I love that it's yellow. Propolis Rejuvenation Lotion. For all the intense skin nourishing benefits of honey and propolis. A soothing mixture created by bees in a lightweight moisturizer that works with all skin types and absorbs fast. A few pumps morning and night will leave your skin with the prettiest glowy sheen. No highlighter required. The Deluxe sample and the full size retails for $38. Hopefully it smells delicious. Nice. It's sealed. Oh, let's see. I'll put it like here. Look at this. I got burned, I think, like with the car. That's how hot it was. Crazy. I don't really smell a lot. Maybe it's me because I'm still recuperating. Does it smell like honey? Maybe I think it smells like honey. Yeah, I think it smells like honey. It reminds me like of tea. Oh my god, I almost forgot. What's this? Are we getting a palette? Somebody please tell me like the IPSY update, because this palette is by Trend Beauty Mosaic eyeshadow palette. This retails for $12.50. I'm just surprised because I've never seen an IPSY glam bag like this. I'm not saying that the products are like, oh my god, amazing, but like the sizes of them and stuff. Probably gonna put this in a giveaway with that eyeliner. There's some really nice colors, really summery. Look at that. This here, I'm trying to be very careful here. This one looks really nice. I like all the pastels here. Putting this film back, close it nicely. Never heard of this brand. And it was an interesting pick of items. Don't forget, you can follow me on TikTok and Instagram. It's also jenzbeautystyle, just like here on YouTube, but without the space altogether. jenzbeautystyle. I would love to have you there. Let me know, what did you get in your bag? Was it good? Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.